Now let us do some extra question based on this exercise 1.6. These questions you are supposed to do in your assignment notebook. The first question says that 3 into x raised to power 0 minus 1 divided by x raised to power 0 plus 1. Remember that this raised to power 0 is only on x, not 3x raised to power 0. Otherwise the question would be like in this way, 3x raised to power 0. So this is not in this form. Remember that 70% of the students, they commit mistake in this way. So this is x raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 3 ones are 3 minus 1, that is 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. Remember that you should always write down the answer in the box. Second part says that 5 raised to power 0 into 4 raised to power minus 1 plus 8 raised to power 1 by 3 divided by 3. 5 raised to power 0 is 1 into 1 by 4 plus 8. Prime factorization of 8 is 2 raised to power cube into 1 by 3 divided by 3. यानी कि 1 by 4 plus 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3. It will be 2 only, 2 by 3. Take the LCM. LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 2s are 3 plus 8. यानी कि 11 by 12 is your answer. One more example we are going to do is 1 upon x की power minus a whole power 3 divided by 1 upon x whole power 3a. Since it is x raised to power minus a, so it will become x raised to power a whole power 3 divided by 1 upon x whole power 3 by a. We are going to multiply it, x raised to power 3a divided by 1 upon x raised to power 3a. Now there are two methods. Since we are dividing it, so this can be written as x raised to power 3a into x raised to power 3a. यानी कि x raised to power, the powers are going to be add 3a plus 3a. यानी कि x raised to power 6a is your answer. The second method can be written as this is x raised to power 3a divide by x raised to power minus 3a. Because it was positive, it was reciprocal positive, it will become x raised to power minus 3a. Since the base is same and we are dividing, the powers are going to be subtracted. So this is x raised to power 3a plus 3a. And this is raised to power x raised to power 6a. Choice is yours, whatever you like. Now one more question which seems to be a very tough question, but it's a very simple question. See, this is x raised to power a plus b into x raised to power b plus c into x raised to power c plus a divided by x raised to power a into x raised to power b into x raised to power c whole power square. Now this step, this numerator does not require any simplification. So I am writing is as it is only. I am going to open this. This is x raised to power a into 2, यानी कि x raised to power 2a into x raised to power 2b into x raised to power 2c. Now the base is same, so powers are going to be added. So x raised to power a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a, x raised to power 2a plus 2b plus 2c. A is 2 times, b is 2 times, c is 2 times. So this is x raised to power 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Same is denominator, same number divided by same number always gives you one number. So it is 1. Or if you want to show the subtraction, x raised to power 2a plus 2b plus 2c minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c, it will give you x raised to power 0, that is equal to 1. Otherwise simply this is, you can write down, you can cut it and you can show it that this is equal to 1. Am I clear? Now one more example, that is x raised to power a plus b into a minus b into x raised to power b plus c into b minus c divided by x raised to power a plus c into a minus c. Now this we are using the identity a plus b. This is x raised to power m into n, यानी कि x raised to power m into n, and a plus b into a minus b always gives you a square minus b square. So this is x raised to power a plus b into a minus b, x raised to power b plus c into b minus c, x divided by x raised to power a plus c into a minus c. This is x raised to power a square minus b square, x raised to power b square minus c square divided by x raised to power a square minus c square. Now bases are same, powers are going to be added. X raised to power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square cancel. x raised to power a square plus c square है गया. and divide by x raised to power a square minus c square, यानी कि powers are going to be subtracted, तो minus a square plus c square. This step is important and this is commit to memory step. फिर से देखिए, this is x raised to power a square plus c square minus the powers are going to be subtracted, a square minus c square, so it will become x raised to power square x raised to power a square plus c square minus a square plus c square. तो a square cancel, c square cancel, यानी कि x raised to power 0, this gives you x raised to power 1. Now one more example we are going to do, that is you have to find out the fifth root of fourth root of x raised to power 20. If fifth root of fourth root of x raised to power 20 is equal to x raised to power p, then you have to find out the value of p. Now this is fifth root of x raised to power 20 and this is fourth root, can be written as 1 by 4 is equal to x raised to power p. You have to solve step by step. Now fifth root of this is x raised to power 5 is equal to x raised to power p, यानी कि x raised to power 5 into 1 by 5, because it was fifth root, is equal to x raised to power p. It implies x raised to power 1 is equal to x raised to power p. Since the bases are same, so powers are going to be equal to each other, so p is equal to 1. This is a raised to power m. When a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n, then m is equal to n. One more important example we are going to do is, if a raised to power x is equal to b raised to power y is equal to c raised to power z and b square is equal to ca, then you have to prove that 1 upon x plus 1 upon z is equal to 2 upon y. Let a raised to power x is equal to b raised to power y, or y is equal to c raised to power z is equal to one unknown number, that is equal to k, where k is a real number. That means a raised to power x is equal to k, यानी कि a will be equal to k raised to power 1 upon x. Similarly, b raised to power y is equal to k, यानी कि b is equal to k raised to power 1 upon y. And similarly, c raised to power z is equal to k, यानी कि c is equal to k raised to power 1 upon z. We are given to you that b square is equal to ac, यानी कि what is the value of b? k raised to power 1 by y whole square is equal to a is equal to k raised to power 1 by x into k raised to power 1 upon. Now when you are going to open this, it will become k raised to power 2 upon y is equal to k raised to power 1 upon x plus 1 upon z, यानी कि k raised to power 2 upon y is equal to k raised to power 1 by x plus 1 by z. By comparing the like terms, 2 upon y will be equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon z. Hence proved. This is equal to z. Let us do one more very important example which is very useful in the Maths Olympiad. You have to find out the value of root a plus 1 by root a when a is given to 7 minus 4 root 3. Now root a, यानी कि I am going to find out root a, that is equal to root of 7 minus 4 3. As you have observed in last video of Geetu ma'am in extra questions, she was saying that whenever this root is given to you, you try to convert into whole square. यानी कि you need two numbers whose sum should be equal to 7 and whose product is going to be root 3. So this is 7 can be written as 4 plus 3, but the product is not equal to 3. The sum is also 5 plus 2, the product is not equal to root 3. यानी कि to write down this number into the form of root a is futile, it is useless. So leave this. When I am not able to write down root a, यानी कि I am not able to write down 1 upon root a also. तो a is with you, तो a is equal to, when a is with you, you can write down 1 upon a also in this way. 1 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. After rationalizing 7 plus 4 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. Always we have to take the opposite sign of the denominator while doing the rationalizing. 7 plus 4 root 3, this is a minus b, a plus b, यानी कि a square minus b square, यानी कि 7 का square minus 4 root 3 का whole square. 7 square is 49, 4 square is equal to 16, root 3 का square is equal to 3, यानी कि 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to 49 minus 48, यानी कि 7 plus 4 root 3. Now we are having a with us, we are having 1 by a with us, but we are supposed to calculate root a plus 1 by root a. Now what to do? So in this situation, let us do square root of this number, because I know somewhere that root a ka whole square is going to become a only. So this is a plus b ka whole square, root a ka square plus 1 by root a ka whole square plus 2 into root a plus into 1 by root a. Root a ka square is equal to a plus 1 by a plus 2. Now you are having root. Now after putting the values, root a plus 1 by root a ka whole square is equal to a plus 1 by a plus 2. What is the value of a? A was given to you 7 minus 4 root 3. 1 by a we had calculated is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. After putting the values, 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 2. Now this is 7 plus 4 root 3. So this is plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is cancelled. This is 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. यानी कि रूट a प्लस 1 by root a का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 का स्क्वायर. इट एम्प्लाइज रूट a प्लस 1 by root a is equal to 4. Am I clear?